Even though you might already know this, let me just kind of take you through the steps of how you should do it, because there are some common mistakes that I do see when we multiply decimals. Do you know this? The whole number 12, where is that invisible decimal? Yes. No, that would be 0.12 or 1200ths. It's different. The whole number 12, even though we don't write the decimal, where does it belong? Right or left? To the right of number 2. Okay, now out of these two digits, or these two numbers, which one do you put on top? Because that does make a difference also. Jen. Right, how do you know it's 34.62? Right, the number that has the most amount of digits goes on top. So when we set it up, it's 34.62 times 12, but do I line up the decimals? Line it up by digit. So make believe the decimals are not even there. Make believe it's 3,462 and 12. You would put the 12 there, right? Then add the decimal. Sometimes you'll see they'll line up naturally by themselves when you do it. But line it up by digit, not by decimal. Are we clear on that? Okay, then just take it and multiply carefully. 2 times 2. 2 times 6. 2 carry a 1. 2 times 4 plus 1. 2 times 3. Don't forget the little placeholder 0. 1 times 2. 1 times 6. 1 times 4. 1 times 3. 9 plus 6. 6 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 1. All right, now here comes the part. When you look at this, 34.62, that decimal has been moved twice from the right to get to where it is. How many times has it been moved to the right for 12? 0, right? It's already where it's already all pushed all the way to the farthest to the right. So the total is 2 leaps. So starting on the far right, you leap the decimal 2 times, drop the rock, and you get 415.44, which is 44 hundredths. All right, number 2. Xavier earned $11.50 per hour working at the nearby grocery store. Last week he worked 13.5 hours. How much money did Xavier earn last week? What do you need to do? What operation? What operation? It's multiplying. What number goes on top? Which has the most digits? Yes. Now, I could drop this 0 if I wanted to, but let's just leave it in there. And if you do leave it in there, then it needs to ride on the top as $11.50. Come and put 13.5 where it's supposed to go. Good. We line up the digits, not the decimals. This is one where the decimals happen to not line up, and that's fine. All right, you ready? Got to multiply carefully because we're going to have 3 rows. 5 times 0. 5 times 5. 5 carry a 2. 5 times 1. 5 times 1. Plus 2. 5 times 1. Add a 0. 3 times 0. 3 times 5. Thank you. 3 times 1 plus 1. 3 times 1. Done. Double 0. 1 times 0. 5 times 1. 1 times 1. 1 times 1. 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. A mistake here. Now good there? All right, what about 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1? Yep. All right, ready? How many times did you move the decimal in 1150? How many times in 13.5? Total of? 1, 2, 3. So I get 155.250, which is what? Monetarily, money. How much money? How much cents? Nathan?
$155.25.
Yep. Don't forget the dollar sign. Don't forget a sentence at the end if it's a word problem. Good? I want to do one more with you that's not on the sheet, because it appears later, and I realized that there probably should have been an example for it, and there isn't. So do you have room somewhere? Underneath
Yeah,
this, right? Okay, let's do this one together. I'm going to do it on a fresh sheet, but you have to do it on the bottom. Write that problem out. 0.009 times 1.3. Because there's no example for this, and I just want to do one with you to make sure. And I don't know if we've ever done this before in Cumes either. So let me show it to you once so you have it as a reference. What goes on top? Meals. Yep, it has 3 digits. Whatever has more digits goes on top. Okay, ready? 3 times 9. Carry a 2. 3 times 0 plus 2. 3 times 0. You need it. Put it there because you're going to need it. You'll say. 1 times 9. 1 times 0. 1 times 0. Add it. Am I right? Okay, I had to move it 3 here and 1's here, right? Total of how many moves? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop the rock. What if there had been 5 moves and there was no number here? What are you supposed to do? Because I think it comes up. Connor, you have to add the 0. If you leap into nothing, fill up the nest with an egg. Okay? All right. That's all I got for you. Here's how we're going to break this up. Regular math does page 3 through 5, advanced does 3 through 7, and then come and get your exit ticket. Well, you start your homework, and then I'll give you the exit ticket at the end. Okay? You can group up. Come and check with me if you don't have the key rights.